Hey everyone, welcome to MTH Health. Today we're giving you a complete step-by-step guide on how to safely and effectively wax your inner thighs at home. Waxing can be intimidating, but with the right method, you can achieve smooth, irritation-free skin. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more skincare tips. The inner thigh area is prone to friction, sweat and ingrown hairs. Shaving often leads to razor bumps, but waxing removes hair from the root, giving you longer-lasting smoothness. Plus, regular waxing can make hair grow back finer over time. Hard wax or sugar wax, which is ideal for sensitive areas. You'll also need a waxing spatula, a wax warmer, or a microwave-safe container, baby powder or cornstarch, a clean towel and some aloe vera gel or a fragrance-free moisturizer. Before waxing, it's important to prep the skin properly. Wash the area with a mild, non-fragranced cleanser to remove dirt and oils. A day before waxing, gently exfoliate the skin to clear away dead cells and minimize the risk of ingrown hairs. Pat the area completely dry and apply a thin layer of baby powder or cornstarch to absorb any remaining moisture. Warm your wax to a comfortable temperature, hot enough to spread easily, but not so hot that it burns. Always test the wax on your wrist first. Using a spatula, spread a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Work in small sections to maintain control and precision. Once the wax is firm but still flexible, hold your skin taut with one hand. With the other hand, quickly pull the wax strip in the opposite direction of hair growth in one swift motion. Try to keep the strip parallel to the skin rather than pulling outward to reduce discomfort. Take deep breaths to stay relaxed. Apply a soothing product like aloe vera gel or a post-wax lotion to calm the skin. Avoid tight clothing for 24 hours to prevent friction. Skip hot showers, saunas and workouts for a day to minimize irritation. Gently exfoliate the area after 48 hours to prevent ingrown hairs. Stay hydrated and moisturized to maintain soft, healthy skin. And that's all there is to it. Waxing your inner thighs at home can be simple when you follow the right steps. With regular practice, the process gets easier and results last longer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your questions or future video requests. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more skincare and beauty tips. Click on the next video to keep learning.